Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Google Drive in sharing files or sharing resources for other people to have access to those resources. By sharing your resources, let's say you have resources where you want to share for others and you don't have any database online where you can share it. Don't worry, Google Drive got you covered. So first and first, open your favorite browser and log in with your email. I am using Chrome browser. And already I am logged in with my email. Once you are logged in with your email on these Google apps here, just click on it. As it drops down, you can see we have Google Drive. So click on the drive and it opens your drive. Now it opens the interface. This is just the interface. So I go to my drive. Now once I have my drive here, so let's say I have this file. I have this file on my desktop here. I have this citation here where I want to share to a friend for him to download and then have access to whatever that resources that is on this file. So first thing for us to do is to upload this file onto our Google Drive before we can now share the link for him to have access to it. Now to upload the file, it's very easy and simple. Just right click on the interface of anywhere on your Google Drive, or you just click on new here and then we have file upload. So if it is a file or a folder, depending on the file, but in my case, I'm using a file, so I'll just go for file upload. Now go to my desktop here. Right, here is on my desktop and this is the file name citation. So I click on that and then open. Right, so you can see the file is uploading. You can see starting upload. Right, it has been uploaded and it's a PDF file, and as you can see that here, this is the file which has been uploaded. So if I open this file, you can see it's a PDF file. So let's say I open with this. Confirm. Right, so this is the file that has just opened and that is just the citation. So let's close it. Close this. Right. So as I've uploaded it, the file is here right now. It's now on my Google Drive, and as you can see, my drive. Now, if I want to share this file, it's very easy. Now, let's click on this three dots, or you can just right click on it and then share. So let's just click on this three dots, and then we have here share. Right, on the share and copy link, we can copy the link, then just forward the link to the person for him to have access. But in our case, just as I said, we are going to have specific ways of sharing the file. So let's click on the share. So click on share. Once you click on share, as you can see here, we have here restricted. Automatically restricted has been selected, and with the restriction, the only thing you can do is that it's only restricted to certain people that you type in here. Let's assume that I have a specific email where I want only that person to have access. But in this case, let's say the resources that I'm sharing out is a general file for everyone to have access. I'll just click on this drop down and then select anyone with the link. So click on that. Now you can see it has now been updated. Now for me to give privileges to that particular file, I'll just have to come here, drop down here. Now you can see these are the privileges that you can give to whoever that is having access to this file. Whether the person can view only, comment, and then edit. Right, so just as I said, let's say view only, and then once you just select this, once you just select the privilege, now you can copy the link, share the link whether through email, WhatsApp, whatsoever means of sharing the file. You can just share it to the person and then you are now done. So just click on OK. Let's open this browser. So let's open Edge browser. I open my Edge browser here. So I've copied the link already. So I can just paste the link on, then enter. Right, so this is the file. This is the file that I've now been sharing to. I've now shared. So I can share this link to whosoever that I want to share this file to. And that is just how easy and simple it is. Now, if the person opens this file, for him to just download, just as you can see, we have the download button here, or you can print out direct. Right, so that is just how easy and simple it is to share links or share files within your Google Drive. Whatever file or document that you need to share and you don't have an online database, Google Drive got you covered. So you can copy the file onto the Google Drive and share the link for the person that you want to have access to that specific file, and then once you share the link, the person will be able to have access to that particular file. So that is just how easy and simple it is to use your Google Drive for sharing links or files. If this video was helpful to you, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one.